Hello everybody, it's Danette.
And it's Speed with Gypsy Crossroads.
We are here today because it is getting hot.
Yes, it is.
It's getting so hot, and our thermostat is probably on its last leg.
Well, it definitely is, because the buttons don't work half the time. You got to mash them down.
You really do have to mash.
What we've discovered is a new system to upgrade our old system, because a lot of people in the RV world, they'll call a repairman out. It costs them thousands of dollars just to upgrade the thermostat, or they'll just replace it with the same exact one. And we found something that's a lot better than getting the same exact one.
Exactly. We found this one online, and Speed is going to show you how to install it.
It is really quite super easy. This is the Micro Air Easy Touch. It is a flat screen, all digital display. So we're taking our 20th century model and upgrading it now to the 21st century.
Ooh. So I'll be holding the camera. I'm going to be a cameraman.
You're tech today.
I am tech today. And Speed is going to be doing a how-to on how to install this. Here we go. Here's our old system.
Yep, here's the old system, and a lot of the buttons just don't want to work anymore. It's just done. So we've taken the liberty of already taking out the screws and everything, but basically this system just comes right out of the wall, and you've got a big bolt connector clip. Go ahead and undo that. There it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here's the old unit. Don't need it anymore. We've got the new plug, this plug over here. Now that I've got the old unit off, we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. And as you can see, it comes with little mounting screws, which is kind of cool. And also the wiring harness. So this wiring harness is the same exact one as this. So that means I don't really need this. Could you imagine trying to figure out all these wires and which one goes where? Well, because we have the same corresponding unit, we don't have to do that. I'm dropping things in the process. And there's the new unit. If you look on the back of the unit, it's got the same diagram. Now all we have to do is take our cord that we have here, match it up, cord on here, and plug it in. And wait for it to power up. There it goes. So it's powering up.
What? Oh my goodness.
Now I've already put in the screws, which it does come with, the mounting screws. And we're gonna slide this inside here and see how good of a job I did on lining it up. I'd say that's pretty level. What do you think?
Looks level to me.
Now that we got the unit installed, it also has this handy dandy guide of all the different functions and features it does. That's good for reference, but it also has an app. So I went to the App Store and downloaded it. There it is right there on my phone. It's an Easy Touch app. Now I can go ahead and click on that app and finish all my setting up right from the app.
Wow.
So I can connect through Bluetooth, which means anywhere I'm at in the RV, I can go ahead and access right through my phone. So if you're in bed, how many times you've been in bed and it's too hot or too cold and you want to adjust the thermostat, then you got to get up, walk over, half asleep, no longer have to do that. I can just do it right from the comfort of the bed, right off the app. And another really cool feature is when you get it all set up is they connect it to your Wi-Fi as well. And if you connect it to the Wi-Fi, now you could be anywhere in the world technically and access your system. In the app here, it also shows the inside temperature, so you can see what it's like inside as well as the outside temperature, which is really great because we have our pups and we don't want to leave our dogs home alone and not have some kind of monitoring system. Now there are monitoring systems that can alert you if your temperature gets too hot or too cold inside your RV for your pups, but that's an extra subscription. Now we've eliminated that. Now we can just go ahead and use our Easy Touch and check periodically on what we're looking at as far as our temperature inside and outside the rig. So I'll go ahead and turn the power on and set it to 72 degrees. It says we're currently at 75. And we'll wait for this sucker to fire up and see how easy this is. There it is. And we're cooling. So I'm gonna turn it off real quick, the system, so you guys can hear me again because it is a little loud. Ta-da! So the system's off. Did that all by my phone. Didn't even have to do it on the Easy Touch pad. So that was kind of neat. Hi, Dory. And if you like this unit and you want to upgrade your system to something like this, whether your old unit's broken or you just simply want to upgrade to a 21st century model, we do have a link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. And hey, you know what? If you haven't subscribed yet, more tips, more travels. We're doing it all. If you want to see it all and join us, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give our videos a thumbs up and definitely leave comments. We love reading and responding to you guys' comments. And remember, it's not just the destination.
It's the adventure along the way.